Alright guys, good morning. Don't mind my hairdo. I'm about to be wearing a helmet. We are taking the wife's 2018 500 Trail to the dealer to get a caliper put on. The only reason it's going to the dealer is because it's under warranty. It's got the 5-year warranty. And they got it approved, so it's going in and it should be fixed in a couple days because it was already approved and they already have the part. So we're gonna do a little journey on over to the dealer, so stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and help grow the channel. Stay tuned. I got her in here. That's crazy. Let's do it here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. I say that's good because we're not like people. Woo! Dang! That thing pulls with that clutch. Holy crap! Yeehaw! Yeah, it pulls.
Yeah, it pulls big.
Damn.
I mean, dude, it pulls. I wonder if I take one out.
Wow.
It'll still spin him.
Yeah, it was gonna let him loose right there until you let off. Oh.
That one don't fit on it, and this one's too loose.
Do the loose one, it'll be fine. That's what she said, or he said. What kind of clutch is that you just stuck in there?
CV Tech.
Yeah, I know the CV Tech, but what company built it?
MCB.
MCB. So, guys, he just put that new clutch in that thing, and we just took him for a rip. He's got to add some weights to it because it smacks rev limiter at 55 miles an hour. So, he's got to fine tune the weights on that. But other than that, would you say you like that thing?
Yeah.
You like the power that it puts to the ground?
Oh, yeah, it'll just smoke the tires.
Well, yeah, it definitely lets him loose on the pavement. I mean, lets him loose. And we did a little drag race. You guys already seen that if you're watching this. Definitely, I topped out 61 miles per hour at 6,400 RPM with my clutch kit. And that was going uphill, a nice size hill, as you guys saw. I can't seem to get the tires to break loose on the concrete because with those Elka shocks, it transfers all the weight and it just grips. And my tires are pumped up to 20 PSI. So it just grips and hauls. And as you've seen, we hung with the Razor pretty well. And of course, he has that racing clutch. If he'd have still had a stock clutch, we'd have probably been either A, real neck to neck, or B, I'd have probably whooped him. Do you think if you had your stock clutch in there, how our drag race would have turned out?
Probably.
You think I'd have took you with your stock clutch?
Hung, but then up in the upper RPMs, I probably would have pulled ahead.
You would have pulled ahead for sure after the clutch engaged, but I mean before our clutches were all the way engaged. And
we would have been, yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, because
on the street I was spinning. I was spinning.
With that one, I noticed with my clutch kit, I noticed that it's fine until it hits 44 miles an hour, and then it like hangs there. So if I would re-weight it or clock it to B2, it'd probably be a whole different story. But my RPMs would be super high for the street, and I don't want that.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy with the way it is. I don't have to eat razors to be happy. It would be nice, but you know. Nah, just giving Nick a hard time like I always do. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up and take that subscribe button and smash that too. Hit the share button, share it with all your friends, because we are going to bring lots more side-by-side content. Not only with CFMOTOs, but obviously the Polarises and stuff too. So we were going to do a video on his clutch, but he didn't want to. So there's reasons behind that, but so we're just kind of doing a clutch test today. So enjoy. Peace out and God bless.